Hello everyone. Three particles, each of mass 200 gram, are kept at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. Find the moment of inertia of the system about an axis. First one, joining two of the particles, and second one, passing through one of the particle and perpendicular to the plane of the particle. So let's do the first part of this question. There are three particles are there. Okay, each of mass m, that is given the 200 gram, are kept at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. So in this diagram you can see here each side is 10 centimeter, or we can say here 0.1 meter. So each side is 0.1 meter. Now find the moment of inertia of the system about an axis. Where is the first one? Joining two of the particle. So you can imagine here one axis is passing through the two particles. So I can just now imagine this is the one of the axis. This is the one of the axis. So if this is the axis of rotation, you can see if this is the axis of rotation, this particle, say it as the particle 1, this particle will rotate about this axis. So what we can write here, what is the moment of inertia formula? We can write moment of inertia I is equal to mass of the particle into the distance of the particle from the axis of rotation, the whole square. So this is the basic formula for moment of inertia. So in this case, if this is the axis of rotation, we can consider if this is the second particle and this is the third particle, moment of inertia due to the second particle and third particle about this axis is equal to 0. So what is the moment of inertia in this case? The moment of inertia will be there only due to the first particle. I is equal to mass. What is the mass of the particle? 200 gram. That is written as 0.2 kilogram into distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. So in this diagram, this is the distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. So you can see here, if I just mark here, this is A and this is the B and this is the C. This angle is given there already. It is an equilateral triangle, so 60 degree. So what is this distance BC? So we can use the formula sine 60 is equal to BC divided by AB. So what is the BC here? BC is equal to, therefore BC is equal to AB sine 60. What is AB? It is given the 0.1 and sine 60, which is equal to root 3 by 2. You can substitute the value here, 0.1 into root 3 by 2 the whole square. So answer become what? 0.2 into 0.1 the whole square, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 into root 3 whole square, which is equal to 3 divided by 2 square, which is equal to 4. So what is the final answer? The final answer you can calculate here, 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram meter square. So this is the first part of the question. Okay, now in the second part, where is the axis is passing through? The axis is passing through one of the particle and perpendicular to the plane. So once again you can consider the three particle here. Okay, now where is the axis of rotation here? You can see here the axis of rotation you can consider somewhere here. Look at this one. This is the first particle, this is the second particle, this is the third particle. So axis of rotation is passing perpendicular to the plane containing these three particles. So I cannot draw here where is the axis. You can consider here axis is now passing exactly perpendicular to the screen right now. Okay, so this is the axis which is passing perpendicular to this particle. Now the particle 2 and 3 rotating about this axis, which include the particle 1. So what is the moment of inertia here? The moment of inertia I is equal to, this is the first particle. First particle is itself in the axis of rotation. So we can write here m into 0 square plus next particle is second particle. mass into distance square, distance is already given the 0.1 the whole square, plus m into next one particle 3, that is also 0.1, right? Everywhere it is 0.1, so 0.1 the whole square. So I is equal to 2 times mass into 0.1 the whole square, that is 2 into mass is equal to what? 0.2 kilogram into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1, the whole square 10 to the power minus 2. So what is the final answer? 2 into 0.2, 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 can be written as what? 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram meter square. Hope you understand this one. Thank you.